What you will need. To operate the Highwire prompter software with SMPTE, you will need two computers. In this case, we have computer A and computer B. Computer A will be sending the SMPTE timecode from a digital audio workstation. Examples are Ableton Live, Pro Tools, or Logic. The SMPTE timecode will likely be accompanied with audio, the music, backing tracks, for instance. Computer B will have the Highwire prompter software operating. This will receive the timecode signal from computer A
In
and
addition to
also
two
provide the
computers, we
signal
will need
to a
two audio
prompter or
interfaces.
screens.
In our example, computer A is using a Universal Audio Apollo Twin. Other examples that are very common would be the Play Audio 12. Computer B is operating an iRig. Computer A and the Universal Audio Apollo will be sending the SMPTE timecode to computer B's iRig. Computer A will also likely be sending audio out, not to computer B, but to anybody on the audio team, to Monitor World, front of house, etc.